Hi, I'm Cassandra, and I just wanted to share a little bit about my experience with pop-on veneers. I have a lot more confidence. I'm just happier in general. I do look better, and I'm very happy with my experience so far. That being said, they are taking a little bit of an adjustment. I did have a lisp growing up, and so it's not unusual for me to lisp a little bit, but the thickness of them and just like retraining my tongue and my mouth is taking a little longer, so I do have a little bit more of a lisp, as you can tell every time I use the letter S. However, overall, again, happy. My teeth were also super yellow, and now they look white. I mean, take a look. They look great, and so far I haven't had any problems with them. I was a little concerned to begin with because I do have a smaller mouth, that maybe these wouldn't fit quite right. They are perfect. They fit perfectly. And the process was so fast. Like, I think it was maybe a week after I took the impressions that I got my pop-on veneers. And I got a few extras, like I got this special soft bristled toothbrush to help clean them when I take them out. I got this little container that even has a mirror, as you can see. And that's where you keep your teeth. And then I was like, well, how am I going to clean these? Well, they come with these little tabs, you can kind of see, and instructions on what to do and how to clean them. So every time I take them out, I just like clean them down with the brush, no toothpaste, just water and the brush. I put them in the container to dry. And then I can pop them back in anytime. I've had compliments, people telling me I even look healthier. Yeah, so overall I am super happy with them. I do have to say that they're definitely not porcelain veneers, but they are a good middle ground. So they're definitely, I don't believe, meant to be permanent. They are temporary, and yeah, I'm just, again, super happy with them. I cannot state enough how happy I am, how much my confidence has improved. Yeah, so there's all of that. There's that it was quick and easy, little special things. I do feel like these are protecting the teeth that I have. My main reason for getting these were, one, appearance, but two, due to some medical issues I had when I was younger, I lost a lot of my teeth, and now I have these. It's almost like I have those teeth back, and it's so strange, the things that you notice. So, like, of course, I run my teeth across them, or my tongue across my veneers, and I'm like, oh yeah, I forgot what my teeth felt like before. Somehow, almost like magic, they knew what my teeth were like, and I guess it's probably from biting the template, but they knew how to construct my missing teeth, and for me that was key. It was like a bonus. I don't know why I didn't expect that, but I didn't. So nothing but positives. And I'm sure this list will go away as I practice more. But I mean, look, I am not afraid to show my teeth now. I have no problem showing them off. Like, I'm excited to see them even as I'm talking in this video. So, great job, pop-on veneers. I could not recommend these higher. Thank you so much for helping me get my confidence back.